Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader and in this video, we are taking a look at Tesla stock. What are we seeing in the price action? Should you continue to be short on Tesla stock here? Or is there a chance of any recovery? And if there is no recovery chance, how low will we continue? What we are watching for tomorrow and the rest of this week? And if anything will have to turn bullish, where would that be? So let's take a look at all of that in this video. But before going further, as always, none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes. Just sharing my opinion. Please do your own thing. So Tesla, as what I have said in my previous video, is anything until 458 is just a rebound. Okay, and this is the video I did right over here on this particular day. And I mentioned that there's some rebound as if it happens, but as we stay below 458, it's just a rebound for the day, which we got yesterday. And we are still continuing in the downward structure and we are still bearish. My tools makes it very apparent for you. You can see we're still in the red structure. I just turned them on. Now we are losing that next level 438, which triggers much more downside, but we'll get to that in just a second. Let's get to the hourly interval. And hourly interval, let's turn on the tool again. And as you can see, we rejected right underneath the cloud still. As I said, that was just a rebound yesterday. You can see we had a green structure for that rebound. So you knew that for the day a rebound is building. And then as you can see, we are still in the red structure then thereafter because we rejected under the cloud and the rebound is over and overall structure is taking precedence. Similarly for day trade as well, like for today, it was a bearish play for us. And let's turn on that same tool again. And as you can see, opened below the cloud state, red. This was such an easy peasy short play today to make a lot of money. There is some rebound that happened over here that you can see my tool gave a sign of that. There were two signs of rebound. First one was a feeble one. The second one was a little bit of a stronger one. They're still building some rebound, but we are still underneath the cloud. It's just for a day trade. Our play was the short, and multi-day we are also short, as I just showed you on the hourly interval, and also on the daily interval we are bearish. Now for yesterday, as I showed you on the hourly as well, we had a rebound sign. And let's turn on this tool on the 5 minutes as well again. And you can see you were aware even on the day trade side that a rebound combined that with hourly interval above the cloud here already on 5 minutes. It was a day trade bullish play, good money made. And then once we lost the cloud in the post market yesterday, and you can see we are already continuing lower. If you need access to these tools, check out the details in the description of this video. Don't trade blindly, trade with these tools if you want to be a profitable trader. Okay, so that's our Tesla for the trading side of the things, and how we know that things are being, overall still being negative. That rebound that came is just for a day, right? It just makes it so easy to even explain using the tools. And for the day trade or swing trade or multi-day trade, you should definitely be using the tools if you want to be a profitable trader and you don't want to be guessing anything, right? You want to know what's going to happen, where you have to put your money long or short, right? Okay, so as we stay below now 438, definitely we are looking in the downwards. We are in the downward structure. 411 is our next target, and after 411 is 382. Right now, Tesla is looking like it wanna go in that direction. I'll talk about where things can turn bullish if they have to. On the weekly interval, now this is where the problem is. Losing 438 on the weekly is a problem, and as if we close this week below 438, problem will persist. And also as I said, 411 remains our target. Now if we don't regain 438 tomorrow or this week, if we close this week below 438, problem will persist. If Tesla can somehow close this week above 438, it can start to stabilize a little bit again for the next week, and some rebounds can build up again. Otherwise, no. And even so, pretty much that's the area. If even any rebound from here on, a good one has to build up, we'll have to at least start to get above 438 again. But if you want to get full on bullish on this thing, 450 is the zone, and I'll just say that use the cloud pretty much on the hourly interval if you want to see some multi-day strength first to gain strength, which is as from where we are, it's at 450. Even the cloud is right over there, the level that I'm telling you. So Tesla remains in the negative structure still. And so yeah, we are still seeing signs of weakness. That's all I had for you in this video, and with that, we'll see you in the next videos. If you need access to my tools, check out the details in the description of this video. All right, take care guys, bye.